Carolina made a decision to embrace telemedicine across the state, and then 2 months later to decide that when people want to get lenses online and only lenses, that's somehow uniquely dangerous.
Joshua Wyndham is an attorney representing a Chicago-based eye company, Visibly. Wyndham says for the last 9 years, they have been fighting against the telehealth eye exam ban in the Palmetto State.
The only justification we've ever heard for this law is that patients who get lens prescriptions online might have hidden diseases in their eyes. The problem is every patient who gets any telemedical treatment online, whether eye drops or skin creams or antibiotics or anything else, could have the exact same hidden diseases.
There's no basis for that doctor to exercise professional judgment as to whether the person is at higher risk of glaucoma or higher risk of some other eye disease and therefore needs an individualized in-person examination.
Back in 2016, South Carolina established the Eye Care Consumer Protection Act, banning the use of online or automated digital eye exams to get prescriptions for eyeglasses or contact lenses. The law was passed despite the governor's veto. However, the law defines a valid prescription as one not generated by a kiosk or based solely on refractive data from online or automated devices. Kirby Sheely, an attorney for the South Carolina Optometry Physicians Association, says the protection law establishes a floor.
I want to reframe the constitutional analysis in a way that's inappropriate and inconsistent with this court's precedent. The fact that the General Assembly has not yet addressed issues concerning eye creams and serums in the same way that it has addressed lenses is not some indication that this law fails. The Telemedicine Act requires medical doctors and all medical practitioners who are practicing telemedicine to adhere to the same standard of care as in-person medical care.
In dozens of states across the country, they've been doing it for a decade. And again, no patient anywhere has ever been harmed by that. In fact, patients everywhere have benefited from increased access to care. And doctors were doing that in South Carolina as well in 2016 before this law passed.
Now the fate of telehealth eye examinations lie in the hands of the Supreme Court judges. In Columbia, Misharia Adams, Watch Fox News, Local First.